And we're here at Grandma and Grandpa's second round of Christmas. Louis Vuitton.
Do you like it?
Yeah, right? I was curious.
Since I was a little girl, I said I'd always have a Louis Vuitton.
Oh, and that's a big one. Get a picture of the two of you hugging here. Okay, big hug with Louis. Okay.
Are you serious?
I'm serious.
Oh my gosh. Jen, you should have.
Yes, you should have.
Well, they can't pay the rent for 2 months. But you're happy. I'm just teasing.
Genesis took out a second mortgage for that bag.
It reminds me of The Hangover. He's like, they throw his bag down. He's like, hey, that was a Louis Vuitton.
Honey, don't have a baby, but guess what? We have a purse. That's what I'm talking about.
Is there?
We had a boy. His name was Louis.
So sit down. I'm not picking up right the floor, woman.
No, seriously.
Put your
I'm so
knickknacks in
really
there.
doing-
Okay, sit down. Go sit down.
My heart is raining.
And then that's the Christmas mother had a heart attack over her Louis.
What?
Oh my gosh, and I can't touch the floor.
Genesis killed 3 huggers for that purse.